Pleasure in welcoming Shri Mahashringa Dasa, who is the director of ISKCON Kukatpalli Center, who is amidst us to deliver a lecture on stress management. To give you a brief background about him, he has done his honours graduation from Calcutta University with specialization in chemistry. He is a sportsman and has participated in water sports and represented twice in the national games on behalf of Andhra Pradesh. He is practicing Krishna consciousness for the last 30 years and has specialized in psychological issues like lifestyle problems, conducting seminars on different subjects like ethical management, healthy relations, time management, anger control, and also how to face interviews at different colleges and in the offices. And how all these are beneficial to the society. The topic he's going to talk about is highly relevant to all of us. So it was one demand which has been made on us that we should have such talks on stress management to reduce stress for ourselves and also to have a perspective of how to have a more balanced living, because the pressures which are there not only in the bank and even at the house are tremendous in the changing environment, and we thought it appropriate that somebody should tell us about how to manage all these things. And it so happened that when the thought has crossed us that we have to conduct this meeting, we had an opportunity from ISKCON themselves offering to do this for us, that is, they will be conducting a seminar or more of a talk on stress management. I have great pleasure in welcoming Shri Mahashringa Dasa to this talk. And before I hand over the mic to him, I would request all of you to put your mobiles in mute so that stress will tremendously fall with this one single action. Thank you. Sir.
A boy was there, a young boy in the school was asked to write an essay, what you want to become in your life. Okay? What was the subject? What you want to become in your life. So 50 students were there in the class. Everyone wrote there what they want. Someone wrote that I want to become a doctor, someone said engineer, someone said IT professional, someone said I want to become pilot. Okay? But one boy, he wrote, I want to become a TV. What he wrote? Yes. So the examiner became very much astonished. Why you want to become TV? Everything is in the elevator or vehicle or desk or chair. The mind is tired, not tired, completely pissed out, spaced out. The mind is completely okay, body is not at all tired. Such a big contradiction, right? So there is a strong recommendation. Please have at least 45 minutes of workout, everyone, whether male or female, andaru. Whatever your age, don't give up. Young or old, everyone. If you skip this, you will have to pay a bigger price in different forms. Understand? So I don't want to make you patient, right? I am giving you a suggestion, a better option. This is also there. I'll show you next how you can squeeze the time. Next. So simple exercises, at least 25 minutes every day. Simple pranayams, breathing exercises, like sir was saying me that for the these women who has conceived, he has a different plan to give them the proper support So this is it. We have different sets of exercises and simple breathing exercises like this Anulom, Vilom, Kapalbhati and Vastrika. Simple things which you can see on any television network or you can find out in Google. And just do it in your house. You don't have to pay a single penny to anyone, right, to learn that. Very simple. Right? Next. Yes, you all know about this person. So, it does not require introduction. We'll go ahead. Next. Count what you lost, not what you lost, but what is left. Another thing, please always have this feeling. Most of the people, they are stressed out because they are seeing the other person. The other person is having only a Maruti.
They are serving whole world. Whole world. You know, how many of you know that one of the famous guy who died, Apple founder?
Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs. He was suffering with poverty in America. He never had money to eat full stomach and he used to go to ISKCON temple every week, Saturday, to have a good meal. How many of you know this?
Yes.
Here it is my, I'm so happy that our Indian people served free food for an American guy who was famous.
Used to
I
walk.
thought, no?
Used to walk for 7 miles.
7 miles he used to walk for that.
Used to wait for next week to come.
come next week.
Used to sell. Collect these kind of bottles and sell it.
Right.
Empty bottles.
Empty bottles. That's a great work, ISKCON organization is doing. We are amazing, sir. Thank you very much. Please keep it up. Thank you. Thank you.
I am really thankful to Dr. Sami, such a wonderful personality actually, so warm and so open-minded, and he has welcomed us and given us this nice wonderful opportunity. I again thank you and from our organization and from my personal behalf. Thank you so much.
Is it not? He is not just running away from the stress. He is fighting not only the opposite army, he is fighting the stress also, right? So that's it. You all have to fight the stress. Don't think of giving up. Please be seated. Thank you for coming forward. Yes, those 2 seats also could be occupied. Someone can sit there. So far, we discussed about the definition of the stress, and then we saw the stress, how it is affecting, and we have understood that the stress is not always bad. If you carry this notion in your mind, this understanding in your mind that the stress is bad, that thought will cause more damage than the real stress. It is not the stress is causing the damage. It is your thought which is causing you damage. Okay? Is that clear now? You understand? We'll go to the next. See, these are in the simple format, the same thing. This is taken from the WHO, World Health Organization. Okay? So, the type of diseases which are related with the stress. Is that clear? We'll go to the next. Thank you. Now we will see the effects of stress.
Rhythm round. You are trying to sleep, but for 1 hour, 2 hours after going to bed, you will rhythm round. The Tuesday, you should know that you have stress. Insomnia, restlessness, smoking more, and then mind worrying, muddled thinking, impaired judgment, nightmares. So bad thoughts are coming, mind is always disturbed. These are the symptoms By seeing these symptoms, you can find out you are stressed. First you should know, then you can protect yourself. Next. These are the symptoms: change in sex drive, change in appetite, meaning you are very lethargic. ఏ పని లేవు, ఇలాగా జస్ట్ పెట్టుకుంటారు. కరెక్ట్? సో ఈజ్ దట్ గుడ్? చెప్పండి, అదే మంచిగా ఉందా? లేదు కదా? ఏం ప్రోగ్రెస్ లేవు, ఏం డెవలప్మెంట్ లేవు. ఇంకా ఆప్టిమమ్ స్ట్రెస్ అయితే చాలా మంచి డెవలప్మెంట్ అవుతుంది. సో స్ట్రెస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఆల్వేస్ బ్యాడ్. ముందు కూడా మేము చెప్పాను, రెండు విధంగా స్ట్రెస్ ఉంది. వన్ ఈజ్ నెగటివ్ స్ట్రెస్, వన్ ఈజ్ పాజిటివ్ స్ట్రెస్. పాజిటివ్ స్ట్రెస్ అయితే మా డెవలప్మెంట్ అవుతుంది, మా గ్రోత్ కూడా అవుతుంది, మా ఫ్యూచర్ కూడా మంచి అవుతుంది. కరెక్ట్? సో transformed in the form of diamonds, isn't it? This is how the natural diamond is made. Okay, it is not anything special. A stone which can sustain severe stress and pressure for a long duration of time is gets transformed in the form of diamond, which is very valuable. Is it not? Natural diamond. Okay, same principle applies with your life. Do not think that you are not going to have stress. Whatever position you are, more responsible you are going to have more stress. You cannot avoid. You ask in your even hospital also, those who are in the managerial task or those who are in the surgery and all this type of cause of stress. It is the combined effect of so many factors. Okay, your exams, your family relationship, peer pressure, so many things, the homework and the coming assignments and the family financial situations, all together creates the stress. It's not only one simple factor. Sometimes it may be one factor, sometimes it is a combination of many factors. Next. The cause of the stress, the presence of God unrecognized. The first thing, you see, in the earlier time, the feelings exchanged, there will be so many other results. Let me tell you another fact. I am telling you a survey report. In America, which is the most advanced country, okay, every fifth person is depressed. What is the ratio? Yes. They have experienced depression in the coming past 10 years, minimum once. Okay? There may not be any so many physical diseases like cancer or heart or this or that or lungs. Alright? But in a small city like London, which has a population much less than Hyderabad, far less than Hyderabad, that is small city of London, there are 32 big.
His Grace Mashrina Nasa is an honors graduate from Canada with specialization in chemistry, having interest in water sports, and he has represented Madhya Pradesh team in the national games. Being impressed and convinced by the teachings of his divine grace, AC
that cannot be concluded. So therefore, this cortisol and the serotonin and the epiprime, which are the major hormones which are secreted in the blood, which the medical science says that this is what is responsible for the stress, is not fully true. It is to some extent. Okay? Not many things are involved. We discuss this today. If that is so, then people can take some pills and they should be over on the stress. It's not just possible. Hormones, cortisol and epiprime. The hormone regulating system is the endocrine system. Cortisol affects the metabolic activity, epiprime, depression and anxiety. The two types of stress are there. One is acute, one is chronic. Depending on the duration. Acute stress is for the small duration. Now and then, the very common example, suppose you are coming to here in the college for some important, maybe some exam, or you have to deliver some class and you are getting late. Ego may be satisfied, your heart will not be satisfied. Try to understand this meaning. You buy a new gadget, your ego is satisfied, your envious mentality is satisfied, but your heart will not be pacified. If you want the heart to be pacified, you require some exchange with your family members, your wife, your spouse, your kids, your colleagues. Is that clear? Yes, we'll have one more. This is the last. We'll conclude. As Mr. Santanu asked me to conclude by. Yes, sir, I need your help again. Some problem.